Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Last minute, I'm about to make babe some lunch for work. So I'm just gonna make a quick little chicken and rice recipe. So you cook your rice to the direction on the back of your package. Once it's done, I'm gonna add some lemon zest and some cilantro to the rice, and that's it. So zest your lemon, your cilantro. When the rice is done, you toss in some butter and cilantro and lemon zest. Alright guys, so this is all that's basically going to go on the chicken. I have onions. Remember that lemon I zested for the rice? We're going to use the lemon juice, fresh thyme and peppers, and salt and pepper. That's it. And I'm using chicken breast. Alright guys, so I'm going to add my coconut oil to my pan. Once it heats up, I'm going to start adding the chicken. This is my chicken breast right here, and I just cut them like in strips straight down the sides of the chicken breast. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. Don't worry guys, once I add my chicken down on one layer, I'm going to add my salt and pepper. Don't worry, it's going to be down in there. Alright, so add your salt. And then you're going to add your pepper. Alright, so at this point you're also going to add your onions and peppers while that one side of the breast is still browning. Remember, chicken breast cook really fast. Also, I did slice it thinly, so you don't have to wait to add your onions and peppers. Just leave it on one side so one side can brown. Alright, so now I'm going to mix it up. Remember, I'm holding my phone, so it's going to be a little difficult to get in there. You see right here, it's starting to brown on the bottom. Alright you guys, so I added my thyme down in there. Now I'm going to start adding my lemon juice. And pretty much you just want to let this cook out for another 2 or so minutes and you're done. You don't want to overcook the chicken breast. That's what you don't want to do. That's pretty much it. Pretty much it. It didn't pick up a lot of color like I would like for it to, but the chicken is definitely cooked and it's super flavored. But of course you can season this however you want. You can do whatever you want to do to your chicken, but I wanted to keep it fresh and simple. Alright you guys, so this is my rice. I just added the cilantro and zest. You're going to use a fork and just fluff your rice up. And that's it. I'm going to allow this food to cool down a bit, and then I'm going to put them into his containers. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So I pair this with some fruit and water, and that's all I do. He has access to juice and stuff like that at work if he wants it, but mainly we drink water. Yep, so I hope you enjoyed this easy, simple recipe. This chicken took nothing more than 10 minutes to make, and it was fast and last minute. So yeah, I hope you guys try this out. Please come back and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.